Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very easy to draw Mr. P from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw. So here's my simple sketch underneath, and to begin we're going to start out by drawing his hat first. So we're going to draw one line across. Okay, so that's going to be the base of the hat. So now we'll go up, we'll just slant it up. Round it out again, just close it off. And then now for the top, from these 2 points, just slant up. And then when we close this, just add a little bit of a bump right here. Okay, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail, you can add in a little line there, because there is a little fold on the hat. Alright, so now for the head and the body, so it's really simple. We'll start right around here, just come down. Just gonna draw one big curve first. Just one bracket on this side. And then on the other side, just come down from the hat right here. This one's gonna be a little bit straighter. We're gonna curve it in this way. Just slight curve. And then now we're gonna go back out the other side. Okay, so we'll come in and just curve out. So it's gonna be a little bit lopsided. And then now whatever space you have here, we'll round it out. So it's almost like a Mr. Potato Head. Okay, so once you have the, the head and the body, now we can add in the eyes. So the eyes are really simple. Just come down from the middle of this. Here's the middle. Just come over slightly. We're gonna draw one of his eyes right here. And I'll just shade that in real quick. And then for this one, just draw closer to this side. So we're seeing his face in an angle. Okay, and then for the mustache, find the midpoint of this. Just come down. Draw one loop going this way. And then leave a little bit of space. Draw another loop going out this way. Okay, and then for his mouth, find the lowest point here of the mustache. You come down, make 2 little dots, and then we'll just draw a happy face right here. Really simple. Okay, so that's the head, and then let's draw in his arms. Let's start on this side. Here's his armpit. I'm just gonna draw a little tube coming out. And then let's bend it down. Okay, and then for his fingers, start on the outside here. Let's draw a little hook like this. So that's gonna be one of his fingers. And then for the other one, just like a little bar coming out. And then one more in the back right here, just a little angle. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Just a little bar coming out. And then we'll turn it down. Or if you like, you can have it in different positions as well. Okay, so we're gonna start on the outside here. One little hook. And then a little bar coming out at an angle. And then for the other fingers on the back, just one. Okay, so his legs are super easy. Here's the middle. We just come out to the side here. You make two little dots. And this is gonna be the inside of the leg first. So we're just gonna draw in two curves. Going all the way down. Come back up here. Just follow the curve. I'm gonna stop a little short. And then now I'm gonna add a little bump. And then just close it off. So start here, come down. Just stop and then one little bump. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And then if you want to add in the little flask, I'm going to draw it right next to the hand right here. So it's going to be behind this finger. Just going to draw a circle. And then now for the tube, just one little bar. And then for the liquid, I'm just going to add in a little line there. And that is it for this super easy Mr. P from Piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.